Okay, what's up, people? This your man Rajay111. I'm going to show you this switch. This is called the Thunder Innovation. Here's a sticker. Oops, sticker. Thunder Innovation one shot kill. One shot power switch or whatever. I purchased these from Dial Hobbies. I'm gonna have a link in the description where you can get this from. Thing is, I believe they sold out now though, but you can put yourself on the waiting list and be notified when they come back in stock. They're like $15. Okay, link gonna be in the description because I know somebody gonna say where I get it from in this video. The link is in the description. Okay. All right. Now, all this is, people, is a XT60 connector. That's all this is, right? But basically, what they did is they took the negative side and spliced it. Positive side is regular, and you can see you got your regular connections on the end. Okay. This goes into your receiver. This goes into your battery. All right. So it comes with this. Once you make that connection, that completes the circuit, and that's all it is. Okay. Now, I used to use these ones here. These are the Sky RC switches, power switches, and these was good. Nothing wrong with these. The only thing I didn't like about these was that this sticker here for the power and stuff would get brittle and old, and dirt and water or whatever would get into the switch. Then your switch will be very difficult to turn on and off, and that's where you'll get a shortage or whatever at with that. ProTech also sells these. They're a little more expensive, but I always use the Sky RC ones. All right, but nothing wrong with these. Now, the difference with this one and the one shot is that this one at least gives you an indication of your battery condition. Meaning, green is good, orange, you're getting a little low. Red is, you need to charge up. So that was the one good thing with these switches right here, power switches. With this is no indication, so you have to know when and abouts with your battery to know. The one good thing I can say about the Sendit RC servos, they sit power, and that's facts right there. My batteries have not been running down; they still been green running them servos, and that's true. That's the truth. So that's the one good thing I can say. So, all right. So basically, they give you a XT60 plug inside it, boom, and so when you put it in, that's it, done deal. Now, could you make this? Sure, you could. This is a regular XT60 connector. The issue is that the wings, it's basically the wings you paying for, you know what I mean? So this is my battery tray on my Mugen, okay? So imagine that this is the outlet, the opening for the on and off switch. I had to solder up something, not solder up, I had to open this up some to get the one shot in there. With this, if you make it, you have to have a way for this to stick in there and stay. See, this would stay, right? Make sure you're on focus. This would stay, but the problem is it would slip right in and out. See that? Alright. So with the one shot, you have to do some filing, but it's very minimal, very light, no issues, it's not a problem. Alright, so you have to trace it out, open up a little bit. I used the same holes that was there for the regular power switch. This one I had to open up a little bit, but there, that's it. And then the wings, this comes with the nuts in the back. Now you have to supply your own screws. The screws I use, you probably got them in your toolbox. They ain't nothing, little regular old screws. I don't know the sizes, but you figure it out. And that's it. But it doesn't come with hardware, alright? And basically, you hook it up very simple. So let's say that. So you would take your regular receiver. So let's take our receiver over here. Make sure you're in focus. So you would take your regular receiver, plug it into your battery slot or empty slot. Remember, negative always goes right. On these sand wands, they give you a slot actually for the battery. Okay, boom. Then you take your battery on the other side and plug it in. Alright, from there, that's it. That's all you do. And then this right here makes your connection. And you can see my transponder's blinking. See my transponders blinking? Alright. So that means power's on. And then to turn it off, you just pull it out. That's all you do. Easy breezy. So now power's killed to it. That's it. Alright. It's really very plain and simple. It's not a, it's nothing really fancy dancy about it. Okay. But they work great. Now, they might sell different ones where it'll fit right in your car. I'm not sure, but you might just have to do some little modifications to your battery tray where this will fit. Okay, like I showed you, I had to do this with mine. Not really a big deal. Okay, see, this was usually square. I just used the filed her up. It was good to go. All right, nothing really to it. Let me zoom down, make sure you see that. Yeah, see what I mean? All right, cool brains. So that's basically it, people. That's the one-shot power switch, one-shot kill by Thunder Innovation. This is what it is. Now, you might could find this somewhere else. I'm not sure, but I got mine from Dial Hobbies. Like I said, link gonna be in the description, and you're good to go. All right, people. Nothing really that crazy. All right. All right. Oh, you know what? Let me show y'all. This is the battery for the SandWatt for the M17. This is the 55 milliamp battery. Lasts longer. That's the part number. That PTK5550. Okay. So the difference with the stock battery that they give you, this is the stock one they give you. This one is 2500 milliamp. They 1C. This comes with a little bit of foam protector on the side, but I like this one. I'm gonna tell you why. Because it has the light for the charger. So you basically, oops, let me get that. So you basically use a regular mini USB and you can charge up, and that turns green once it's fully charged. And you don't have to take the battery out. It's a little door opening on the side. Let me show you real quick. Right there, boom. And you can do your thing. So you never gotta take the battery out. I like that. The heavy capacity one doesn't have that. So to charge this up, but you charge this less. It doesn't have that. You gotta take it out, charge up 1C. Yeah, it is what it is. Not a big deal. Whatever. But if you're interested in that, that's it. Also, I did a video about these charge cables. You can see how I made mines. Wait, let me untangle this. See? So usually I put this protection on there, make it all nice and neat. You know what I mean? Boom. See what I mean? It's just wire protection. So now, just go to the charger. You hook up that into the charger, into your balance port, and that'll go right into your battery. Boom. That's it. Easy breezy. Nothing to it. Alright? You can buy these cables. Sure, you can. But, why not save some money? You know what I mean? And, certain places you can't get these cables. You know what I mean? Us in the United States, we kind of take for granted the things we can get here. But certain places you just can't get stuff. So you can just make yourself one, save you a few pennies. You know what I mean? All right, people. Let me get up out of this thing, and gotta put these cars back together and everything. All right, so this your man Raj111, just showing you this switch because I've gotten a ton of questions about these joints here. That's the Thunder Innovation one-shot kill switch, or whatever you want to call it. Oh, you know what? Before I go, okay, I almost forgot. Woo! Hold on, people. All right, so this is what it comes with. Basically, this is what it comes with. All right, let me zoom down. All right, let me zoom down. Get y'all in focus. All right, this is what it comes with. Now, it's good to lanyard this to your car or something like that, because you can pull this out and you might put it in your pocket, drop it, you lose it. So lanyard it somewhere. That way, it always stick with your car. Now, let's say you pull this out and the wire pulls off. These do come out. This will come off, and then you can solder on there. Make sure you're in focus. I don't know what been up with my focus today, but you can solder it back together. Not an issue, not a big problem. And then it snaps back together like that. All right. So if you happen to pull this off, you can solder it back together. I would recommend, like you can see I did here, I made me some extras. Okay, it's just basically taking 2 wires, connect them, make you some extras just in case you lose it. You lose one, and you can see they fit right in there. Make the connection. It's not a big deal. All right, and I'll keep these in the bag, back up, just in case I lose the original ones they gave me. That's it. All right. All right, people. That's all I wanted to tell you. So now I'm out of here. So this is your man Raj A111. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.